Oh, oh, he's dead? Oh. Hey y'all, Xavier here, back again. And today, we're gonna be watching First Kill again. It's gonna be season 1, episode 4. Yeah, the name of this title is First Date. Episode 3 was First Fight, and what we saw last there was that, the Kyle's family realized that Juliet's family are full of vampires, and so they called in some like extra people, and there was also extra people, and then they decided to do a raid on decided to raid on Juliet's family's house. Well, that was happening. Juliet and her family, they were doing like this monsters ball ceremony thing where Juliet was being inducted or something like that for with a snake and all that for because she lied about having her first vampire kill, and so that was happening. And so vampires from all over the world and all that were brought in. So that was it. So the raid was happening, and then all that collided at the end of the episode when the raid was happening at the house and stuff, and then was it what Cal? She had confided something to her ex, and then her ex snitched and all that, and then Eleanor, Judith's sister, kidnapped Cal, and then it was like, yo, Juliet kill her and all that, and then all over the end, and her brother came in, and then there was a little fight between all that, and then we were left at the end with Juliet's choice about where she's gonna go, what she's gonna do next. Well, the vampires are running away from the hunters, Cal's family and their friends who are hunters and all that. Yeah, so that's where we left off, and excited, very interested to see what happens next. Yeah, so let's go. First date. Oh.
Come on, we need to go.
Oh, okay. It was just they're dressed out. That got yeah,
Go!
attacked. Yeah, dress got attacked.
Hey, bloodsuckers!
The effects are not given.
We're using the silver tip spears.
Aren't they dying? Let's go.
Yeah, okay. I was like, would it be that easy to kill them? I don't think so. Like, is this early in the series for Juliet to lose her parents?
Sneaking out so soon?
Get out of here, Jules.
Back off! Go!
Cal.
I'm gonna enjoy this.
Let's rock. Get in the car.
Huh. Yeah.
What did I just do?
Oh. Oh, he's dead? I did not get that vibe at all. Yeah. I'm surprised they did.
When are you gonna stop taking trophies?
Test wouldn't come. What was I supposed to do?
Hold your position! Instead you went full Apollo.
my parents.
No, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Discount that we're back.
So Oliver is supposed to be the trophy. Okay.
Hey, yeah, I really hate to break up this family bonding, but the silver's strafing me. I am allergic, you know.
The least of our worries is whether your halfling lives or dies. Least of our worries, you know. He is everything to me.
Oh yeah, her mother really does not like him. She's willing to let him die.
Here tonight is telling themselves we betrayed them to hunters. Do you honestly not understand the gravity of our situation right now?
Remember when we pinky promised that we would always help each other out of any mess, anytime?
Oh, she's gonna tell him the
Like
secret?
Precious asked.
Whenever, whatever, wherever. When?
Oh, she's just gonna show him the dead body.
Whoa!
No.
This is quite a mess.
I know. What should we do?
First, I'd start by tossing the year-old fast food.
Oh wait, did he escape? So he was not dead.
Where'd he
Okay,
go?
cause
Who?
he looked alive to
Creepy
me.
dead guy. My God.
What are we looking for? You girls come in for some chocolate cream pie if you're hungry for something other than each other.
I like her. I like Bunny. Oh, she made sure to kill him now. That is very weird to see your best friend doing. She's a vampire and she just killed someone in front of you. Whoa. Is he gonna die? Is it gonna be... Oh wait, it'll be 4 deaths, because we had the deaths of the parents. And then we had Cook just a while ago. Oh. Okay, interesting. I wonder if this will heal him.
These didn't work. The legacies are still alive, every last one of them, and I don't know where my child is. The guild is already tracking down Clayton Cook, and I'll see to it that Cal gets home. You have my word. Like your word? Or the same word you gave Mike and Sarah?
Yeah, man, your word doesn't mean a lot right now.
Maybe she should stay with us. The guild has protocol. You know, I don't give a shit about guild protocol right now.
I feel you, man. I feel you.
And as far as the guild's concerned, you've had a significant win tonight. Our friends are dead.
How is this a win?
And my child is missing.
And they didn't kill any of the vampires. Oh, what? Maybe they captured Oliver? I don't know. Maybe that's the win they're talking about.
Let's take him to the bottom of the river and let time and erosion work its magic.
Oh, the Savannah River's not far. If you guys can avoid the gators and the sewage runoff, we have a long time. But I can hold my breath for a really, really long time. So make sure your calendar's clear.
And screw.
I like Oliver.
Turned to a witch? Her name's Carmen. We haven't really put a label on anything just yet.
You okay?
Stay away from me.
Okay, okay. Ben? It's me. Okay? It's just me.
You just killed somebody, and you're a vampire.
How are you keeping this from your family? Your mother, she's gonna freak.
No, she's not.
She already knows.
She accepts it?
She's a vampire too, man.
The whole family does. They had to, since they're vampires too.
Yeah, they are.
Even Eleanor?
Come on, man.
You'd allow my father to die just because you're still angry with Mother for leaving Henry Davenport at the altar.
No.
Maybe it sounds like that. Definitely sounds like that.
Ashamed, of course. But the anger, it left a long time ago.
Okay, I can buy that.
Davenport clan has 2 sons. Very eligible bachelor.
Oh, okay.
Let me fix what Mother broke.
Intriguing. That just might work.
Chop, chop. He needs to be better hidden, uphill of the wind, blah, blah, blah.
Okay, he sounds very experienced in this, you know?
How many times have you done this?
Yeah, exactly.
I'm not a psycho, if that's what you're implying.
I'm not leaving you alone with him.
I don't think you have much of a choice.
You really don't.
Mother, please.
You gotta just trust your mother. Okay.
We, truth is, we're not fine.
What's
Well,
wrong?
they were not.
Ben was upset about Ashley, so we came out here
Okay.
to remember her.
Oh, God.
Decent lie.
Oh, Benny. Oh, my sweet, sweet Benny. She loved drinking in the park.
I wish you would have told me you were having a hard time. I am too.
She loved drinking in the park. Oh, she has alcohol?
Smashley's fave.
Yeah.
We can all remember her together. To Ashley.
Wow, to be loved like that. I wish my parents cared about me that much. But they don't. I'm sure they're happy right now, thinking I'm dead.
Bullshit.
Damn, that sucks.
No parent wants to lose a child. Ever.
Neutral ground it is.
Oh, my
Makes
head
sense.
is killing me. Need to
Oh,
go
they went to the
sometime.
party. Okay.
You want to talk about it? Do you?
Yeah. But I don't know what to say.
Yeah, I don't think anyone knows what to say after they kill someone for the first time as a vampire.
Did you know this tree was here?
Of course not. Why?
It's the tree from her dream.
It was in my dream. Juliet, you're in my head. You bit
She
me,
is.
and now I don't even know if what I'm feeling is you, or me, or...
I betrayed my family to save you. I did that because I know my feelings for you are real.
They're really accentuating the height difference here. Oh. Yeah, I felt that was coming. Oh. Interesting.
I can give Cal a ride home. Unless you'd prefer to have Savannah PD do that.
Using his position. Using his position to capture Cal.
What if he told them there's a way to end our lives, to kill?
He would never do that. No legacy would. Ever.
Oliver might.
Your brother is still one of us. We're not having this conversation.
Oliver is a self-destructive psychopath with serious attachment issues.
He's not gonna sell out the family like that though. Come on.
What's happened to you?
Oh, did the thing, that life-saving thing. Who the... Oh, is that the witch?
Wait, Oliver? What are you doing?
And revenge. It's good to be back.
No! Oliver!
Okay, that was weird.
Sorry.
You say that a lot.
And you don't say it ever.
Both true statements.
Or
Oh.
you can run.
Interesting choice.
It's not over till you say so.
Okay. Okay, so that was interesting. What was see there? Oh, Shaped up very interesting. Okay, so we saw that Juliet ran to save Cal because she heard her screaming in her head, even though Cal wasn't actually screaming. And then later on, screaming by her mouth, I mean. And then there was the fight, and then the hunters were winning. You know, they were stabbing people left and right with the spears, the silver tip spears. But you know, they were legacies, and somehow legacies now have this thing where even though the spear is the one killing, it'll hurt them, but it won't. They'll still be alive. Also, we saw that Mike and that late his wife, they got killed by Eleanor and Oliver. Was it both of them? Yeah, I think it was both of them. And right, and so they were killed by them, and Tess discovered her family, her mother and father killed, and she tries to fight Oliver, and then Apollo comes in and helps her, and then Apollo takes Oliver captive. And so, and then Cal and Juliet. Yeah, right. Cal was taken by Cook. Juliet spots this, assists Cal, and then they knock out Cook. That's it. They kill him, but he's not. And so one part of the episode is dealing with the follow with Tess and the brothers and Talia and the father and for the hunters, and also them dealing with the guild. Like this whole thing about where is Cal gone? Yo, we captured Oliver. We're trying to torture him. But he's not giving us anything. He's not dying. This thing with why did the legacy survive? What's all this? What's going on? So that's one thing, and then the other thing we have is Cal and Juliet. They bring Cook to Ben. We meet Bunny. Yeah, I like Bunny. I hope she shows up again. This time Juliet kills Ben. For sure. Sorry, not Ben. She kills Cook for sure. Originally, Cal thought she had killed him accidentally, but nope. Juliet did it this time. Her first vampire kill. It felt right to her. In the moment, she just did it. Ben is like shocked and like, yo. She's like saying, oh, your parents are gonna be shocked. What's happening? But no, her family's a vampire too, bro. Chill. Yeah, and so then they meet Ben and Cal and Juliet. They bury Cook's body, and then when they're trying to leave, they discover his secret boyfriend and the boyfriend's girlfriend, and they go to this party and all that, and you know, they're drinking alcohol in honor of Smash Day. Yeah, love to you. He's dying after this because he's only a half legacy. He was a turned person, so he doesn't. The silver is really messing him up. Eleanor trades her hand in marriage for the grandmother saving the father's life, and it turns out like during that saving life thing, something changed about him. Maybe his extra powers, something like that. I don't know. The snake did something. The snake went into him. Maybe the grandmother has like a way of like exacting stuff on him. I don't know. We'll see that in the future. Alright. Let's see. There's a setup of a trade between Sally and Margot for Cal, for Oliver, all that. Father, uses the position to, like scare the people in the party. Cal and Juliet go with him. They're on the way. Cal takes a picture, like, yo, here's the girls for the exchange. So he's on the way. I'm not sure if he was definitely going to do the exchange or not, but some witch, I think that's Carmen, because I was talking about Carmen, where he had the ring with the string thing. So I think that's Carmen who stopped him. I'm not sure if it was that. No, I don't think that was Carmen that killed. Actually, I don't know. Just because I don't remember what the actual killer looks like, but I don't think it was her. And then this whole thing where Oliver runs away, Kyle and Juliet run away, and then that's the end. That's basically the gist. No man left for there. I think Kyle and Juliet are gonna meet up with Oliver, and Ben might be involved also with this aspect. To the guild hasn't explained to the Hunter family, to the Hunters, to that family. It's gonna be like some squabble between them, and then there's also gonna be some legacy squabble in the next episode. There's gonna be Kat and Juliet on their own, possibly with Ben, possibly meeting up with Oliver, possibly with that witch person, with Carmen. I think that's Carmen. He saved us the info when he jumped off the building. Jumped off not the building, it's the building, the car park. So really interested to see what happens. This wasn't a great episode. It was just meh. It did have some interesting parts, but overall it wasn't really that. Okay, it was very watchable, but it didn't leave me as invested as the previous few episodes. But that's fine. It's 8 episodes. I thought all of them were going to be a smash. I mean, the CGI was off, but remember that thing when I said episode 1 that the budget was really low. So I'm judging it. I'm like trying not to hold certain stuff against it. Just judging the product with all of that in mind, and to see the soap for a good story. 3 minutes so far, very intriguing. Like I want to see what the lore is of this situation for the hunters and the vampires, with the guild. What's gonna happen. This star-crossed lovers thing it's giving me a lot of not oomph. What? I'm in there. I'm ready to see what happens. I'm invested that much to see what happens. I'm liking the journey so far. This episode was a bit of a because others were like say if I was gonna say like 7, this was like a 6 or 5. That's fine, but a little bit down. So let's look forward to see what episode 5 gives us, and yeah, holding fate. And so that's I think I don't really need to say much of this. It's just a sad episode to advance the plot. The one thing really interesting, the parents died. Oh, Tess. Let's see what Tess does. Because Tess is gonna be a foil in this Cal Juliet thing. Tasha is gonna be a foil because she said it's a Cal, but no, her parents died because of vampires. So that's gonna be an extra motivation for her to try to mess things up, and she's gonna be ready to kill Juliet. So yeah, that's gonna be interesting. That's a nice spanner in the works. And the guild is kind of shady a little bit. Like they purposely wanted Cook to do something to kind of help us where they're into this like kidnap her and take her to some guild thing, some re-education or something like that. Or is he gonna kill her? I don't know. We didn't establish what was gonna happen there. Hopefully that gets highlighted later. But yeah, I think that's it. Anything else? Well, you can see what I thought about the indirection. Because I think, expanded out a bit on what I was thinking. Not much more I need to say right now.